Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Health and Wellness Unlocked. Today I am going to tell you about Spirulina, nature's tiny superhero with 10 superpowers for your health. Imagine a tiny, vibrant green superhero, packed with more nutrients than a phone booth filled with leafy greens, antioxidants, and ancient wisdom. That's Spirulina, a blue-green algae that's been swimming in the ocean for billions of years, and only recently burst onto the health scene. But don't let its microscopic size fool you. This little warrior packs a punch with 10 incredible health benefits that can transform your body and mind. 1. Supercharge your energy. Feeling like a slug stuck in molasses? Spirulina's got your back. Its iron content fuels your red blood cells, carrying oxygen to every corner of your body, leaving you feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. Think of it as a tiny engine revving up your internal combustion. 2. Immunity boost. Forget about dodging those office sniffles. Spirulina's vitamin C and antioxidants act like a shield, protecting you from nasty invaders. It strengthens your immune system, making you a fortress against common colds, flu, and other pesky illnesses. 3. Detox master. Feeling sluggish and weighed down? Spirulina's got detox powers like nobody's business. It binds to toxins and heavy metals, flushing them out of your system, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Imagine it as a tiny vacuum cleaner for your insides. 4. Muscle maker. Want to sculpt those summer bod goals? Spirulina's got your protein covered. This little algae is packed with complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles crave to grow strong and lean. Think of it as a tiny gym buddy in a smoothie. 5. Brain booster. Feeling foggy-headed? Spirulina can sharpen your mental focus. Its B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids nourish your brain cells, boosting memory, concentration, and cognitive function. Imagine it as a tiny chef whipping up delicious brain food. 6. Heart hero. Worried about your ticker? Spirulina can be your cardio companion. Its potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure, while its antioxidants combat harmful cholesterol. It's like a tiny knight protecting your heart from harm. 7. Diabetes warrior. Struggling with blood sugar spikes? Spirulina can help. Its chromium and fiber regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those nasty crashes and keeping you feeling energized throughout the day. Think of it as a tiny Jedi master, balancing your inner force. 8. Allergy avenger. Sneezing your way through spring? Spirulina can be your allergy ally. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated airways and reduce allergy symptoms, giving you back the joy of spring without the sniffles. Think of it as a tiny peacemaker for your sneezy self. 9. Skin savior. Want to glow from the inside out? Spirulina's got your skin covered. Its antioxidants combat free radicals that damage your skin, while its vitamins and minerals promote collagen production, giving you a healthy, radiant complexion. Think of it as a tiny spa day in a capsule. 10. Mood magician. Feeling down in the dumps? Spirulina can be your mood booster. Its tryptophan content helps increase serotonin levels, the brain's happy hormone, leaving you feeling more positive and optimistic. Think of it as a tiny sunshine pill in a sprinkle. So, there you have it, Spirulina, the mighty miniature superhero of the health world. With its 10 amazing superpowers, it can boost your energy, immunity, and brain power, while protecting your heart, skin, and mood. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny warrior can be the game changer you've been waiting for. Ready to unleash Spirulina's superpowers in your life? Add it to smoothies, sprinkle it on salads, or mix it into your morning yogurt. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes, and with Spirulina by your side, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you in no time. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video.